I'm Rich Montan, founder of Ecom Accelerator. Sa company namin, we handle over 400 Shopee and TikTok stores that are doing between 100,000 all the way up to 40 million pesos every single month. At ang channel na ito is my way of giving back to sellers. I give all the best strategies na natutuklasan namin sa company namin to small sellers like you, all for free. Now, ready ka na? Ibigay ko na sa'yo ang single most important formula na kailangan mong malaman pagdating sa e-commerce. Kasi in all my years of experience and all my years of handling other people's store and my own stores, isang bagay ang napansin ko. Sa lahat ng store na malaki ang growth or maliit ang growth or mababa ang benta, there's a single formula na nagpapagalaw nito. And it is what I call the e-commerce equation. The formula is like this. Sales is equals to visitors times conversion rate times average order value. Itong tatlong levers lang ang dapat mong malaman.